Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Okay, good. So, how is your life going? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So, in which grade do you study? MashaAllah. Okay, that's nice. We will inshallah learn to read Quran with Tajweed. Do you know what is Tajweed? Okay. Tajweed means the rule of knowing the correct pronunciation of Arabic letters and words. And in order to learn anything, we first have to learn the basics. So before moving toward Quran, we must learn the Norani Qaida, and in the first lesson of the Norani Qaida, we will learn the Arabic alphabet. Okay, now repeat after me these words. أعوذ أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف ألف. This line which you are seeing is called Alif. Ba. Repeat after me. Ba. Ta. Ta. Repeat after me. Ta. Great job. Brilliant student. Fa. 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 Jim. Ha. Kha. Repeat after me. Alif. Ba. Ta. Fa. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. ذال. را. زاء.